Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to use Hubspot for customer service. So the first thing that we are going to do here is we just have to open any of our web browser, and then using the search bar at the top, we just have to type out Hubspot. And then we have this first website at the top. So simply click on this one, and then you will be directed to their website. Now right here you can request for a demo or get started for free. So let me just click on the get started for free. And then after that, right here you just have to sign up for an account or continue if you already have an existing account. Right, so I'm just going to continue with my existing account. Then after that, right here you will be directed to your homepage. Okay, so this is what your homepage looks like. That's right. Now, the first thing that we should do here, again, the HubSpot offers a complete customer service hub that will help you to manage customer inquiries, you can track the tickets, and improve response times efficiently. So, first one is we have to sign in again and access the service hub. So, from the main dashboard, you just have to click on the service in the top menu to open the customer service hub, or click on this option right here. Okay, so we have the service. And then after that, we just have to navigate to our conversations. Okay, so here we just find the conversations, right? So we have here now our conversations. Okay, so we have this inbox, the calls, and other options. Okay, so navigate to the conversations and to your inbox or under the segments. Okay, so here we can connect our email, okay, our chat, our Facebook Messenger. So all customer message come into one shared inbox. So as you can see, we can manage and respond to team emails from our inbox. We can connect to live chat and create chatbots to engage with your visitors on your website or mobile applications. And for the forms, you can connect and respond to forms from our inbox. And we also have the Facebook Messenger. So start receiving messenger conversations and create chatbots in your inbox. And for WhatsApp as well, so start receiving WhatsApp conversation in your inbox. And for calling, you can start making and receiving calls in your inbox. So for example, for the Facebook Messenger. So when you clicked on this option, you have here the different steps. The first is you have to connect your Facebook account. Then you have to connect your page, the greeting, the settings, and then you can now preview this setup. All right. So I'll just close this one since I don't want to connect my personal Facebook account. So for the chat, okay, for example, the chat section. Okay, so right here, you can choose what type of chat you would like to connect. So we have web and mobile. So for the web, you can engage your website visitors through live chat or chatbots. Or for mobile, you can engage your mobile customers by installing a live chat widget within your mobile application. So if you're going to choose web, then click on next after that. And then we just have to set up our web chat. So we can style our chat widget. Okay, for example, this one. All right. So after selecting your color, just have to click on next. So you can see here the preview. And for the availability, okay, we have the channel availability right here. So I'm just going to leave these options. After that, click on next. Now for the chat flow, we have the chat heading right here. Okay. And then of course, just going to select this specific user, so just myself, and then write a welcome message. So for example, got any questions? I'm happy to help. Or good morning, we're happy to help you. So something like that. After that, click on next. Okay, now you can preview your option right here. So for the desktop view, this is how it's going to look like. And on the tablet and in mobile. So if you're good to go, click on next. Okay, now the next thing that you are going to do is to install the HubSpot chat. So you can install the tracking code on your website. You just have to place the code right here before the end of the body and then tag on any page that you want to enable the HubSpot on. So if you need more help, you can view this instruction right here. All right, so I'm just going to close this now. Alright, so I'm just going to skip this part for now. And then here we can view our message in our inbox. Right, so this is how it going to look like. All right, now the next thing that we are going to do is to create support ticket. So how you can do that, we can go to the service section. All right, so let me just go to the service, and then you can go to your tickets. Okay, so I think the ticket is not here. So if you cannot find the ticket from these options, you can actually go here at the top and then click on the create new, and then you have here now the ticket. Okay, so click on the ticket. Okay, so here to create a ticket, you just have to log the customer issues. So you can assign the ticket to a specific agent, you can set priority and add a status open, pending, or closed. And this one will help track the progress and ensures no issue is missed. Okay, so for the ticket name, for example, emergency. Right, emergency. And then for the pipelines, I'm just going to select a ticket pipeline. And for the status for this one, okay, so I'm just going to select new. And for the ticket description, and then the source of this ticket. Okay, if this one is from chat, and then the ticket owner, and then you just have to set the priority. For example, hi, since this one is an emergency ticket, and then the create date would be today. Okay, and then associate ticket with your contact and then the company. After that, you just have to click on create or create and add another ticket. Okay, now the next thing that we are going to do if you're done creating your ticket is the automate responses. So in the workflow section or the automation, okay, so just simply click on the workflows. So here in workflows, we can set automated replies for common issues like we receive your message and it will reply soon, or you can also route tickets to specific agents based on topic urgency. So for this one, before you can access this feature, is you have to subscribe to a plan. You can talk to sales or start a free 14-day trial. So yeah, we can also see an overview right here. When we scroll down, we can automate your follow up and put time back into your day, personalize and tailor your automated sales emails, and then streamline your let me just close this one. Streamline your sales process with workflows. So here we have the plan. All right, and you'll be able to see here all of the features included when we purchase this plan. Okay, so the last one is we can actually use chatbots, but this one is optional. So we can go to the conversations, chat flows to set up the AI chatbot that answers common questions automatically. So this one helps support customers even outside your business hours. Okay, so let me just go here to the chat flows. So select this one. And then here we just have to create a new chat flow. Okay, so we have website, mobile, and Facebook Messenger. So again, just going to select a website. All right, and then here, just going to leave this section as it is, and then click on next. All right, click to next, and then click on create. All right, so once done, as you can see right here, we can now preview new chat flow. All right, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.